Family element. In this block, we are going to learn about family elements. Let's see what's the difference between prefixes and suffixes and a family element term, since they both let us obtain data from a family. The main difference is that the prefix and suffix only allow me to select one element, while the family element allows me to select several. Despite this, the prefix is a more complete and complex term. I can choose a prefix, but I can choose several suffixes. All the data from the form. As for the family element terms, I can select more than one, and I'm going to see the one that I selected as the main one. So for example, if we have several, we only see Anahil because we selected as the main one. Okay, we can do that. In prefixes, as we can only choose one, we will only see the one we chose. Let's see all the possibilities that a family element has. For that, let's go to settings. So let's go to the process, and settings. And if we go to the family element, let's find general terms division first. Family element. And if we can see, these options are really similar to the ones we will find in a prefix. Okay, so I can fill out with the star message creator, a performer, the administrator of the task, etc. We can add here a prefilter if we wanted to. In the selector we have search, and we can see it as an option list or a tree path. Create button. In browser of elements, we can choose yes or no, and we can also choose if we want a viewer in the form or not. So let's go to see an example of this in execution. So if we go here, the family element, we press proceed, we can choose, as we said, as many as we like. Okay, so accept selection, and in here we can choose the one that appears. So we go back, we can see, okay, that Anahil is the one showing because we selected as the main one. But if I click on here, I will see all the elements in the family element term. So as we have seen, the main difference between family element and prefixes and suffixes is the amount of elements we can choose. As I said before, we can choose several elements in a family element term, but only one prefix. The good thing about the prefixes is that we can choose several suffixes. Prefixes tend to be the ones used as they are more complete. They are more complete option.